Here are the simple instructions on how to use a fire extinguisher. 1. After you have your fire extinguisher in your hands, remove the pin at the top of the lever. 2. Stand back about 6 feet away from the fire. 3. Aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. 4. Squeeze the lever at the top. 5. Sweep from side to side, starting at the base. 6. Keep squeezing the lever until the fire is out. Just remember pass. Pull, aim, squeeze, sweep.
Keep going.
Then you...
What did you do? What did you do?
I squeezed.
Oh!